Web Development Basics, Lesson 5. CSS Layout Basics, Positioning and Display. Made by LogicBloom. Welcome to Lesson 5 of LogicBloom's Beginner Web Development Series. Today, you'll learn how elements behave like boxes and how we can arrange them neatly on a web page. Let's get started. Before we start, here's what you'll need. A browser, like Chrome or Edge. A code editor, such as Visual Studio Code with Live Server. And your starter HTML and CSS files from the last lesson. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand display types, block, inline-block, and none. Position values, static, relative, absolute, and fixed. And the idea of parent and child elements in HTML. Coming up next. What are the display and position properties? What is the display property? Definition: the display property controls how an element appears in the page layout. Block starts on a new line and takes full width, like a div. Inline flows within a line, like a span. Inline block behaves like inline, but keeps block features. None hides the element completely. What is the position property? Definition: the position property defines how an element is placed in relation to other elements or the page itself. Static, the default, follows normal flow. Relative, moved slightly from its normal position. What are parent and child elements? In HTML, elements can be nested inside each other. The outer element is called the parent. The inner element is called the child. When we use position absolute, the child is positioned relative to its parent, if the parent has positioning. More on the position property. Absolute positions an element relative to the nearest parent that has positioning applied. Fixed keeps an element in the same spot, even while scrolling. Let's bring our slides to life in Visual Studio Code. Here's what we'll try together. Testing the display property, block, inline block, and none. Moving elements with the position property. Static, relative, absolute, and fixed. And exploring parent and child elements.
掴もうとして消えてゆく虚しい手が空を切る壊れた心抱きしめて君の愛が消えてゆく涙で染まるこの世界戻れない日々の先へ
Let's see what you remember. Question 1. Which CSS property hides an element completely from the page? A. Position. B. Display. C. Visibility. Question 2. Which position keeps an element in the same spot, even when scrolling? A. Static. B. Absolute. C. Fixed. Question 3. What is a child element? A. The outer container. B. The inner element. C. Text inside the body. Pause the video and try answering, or comment below. Here are the answers. Question 1. B. Display. Question 2. C. Fixed. Question 3. B. The inner element. Pause the video and check your answers, or share in the comments. Homework time. Mini styling challenge. Build a small web page about your favorite city, hobby, or anything you like, using display, position, and parent-child elements. Start with a header that has 3 text links in one row, using display inline-block. Add a centered content box with a width and background that shares info about your city or hobby. Center it using margin auto. Add a fixed box in the bottom right corner that says something like hello, or fun fact, using position fixed. Bonus, nest a div inside another, and try position absolute for the child. Open it in your browser, and make sure everything looks correct and stay.
して掴もうとして消えてゆく虚しい手が空を切る壊れた心抱きしめて君の愛が消えてゆく涙で染まる
What's next? In the next episode, we'll start HTML essentials, structure and content. You did it, coder! Thank you so much for coding with me today. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to LogicBloom for more beginner-friendly lessons. See you in the next episode.